Plant tissue. Tissue. The group of cells similar origin, structure and functions is called tissue. The group of cells similar origin, structure and function is called tissue. You have seen types of tissue, types of plant tissue. First one is meristematic tissue. What is meristematic tissue means? Growing region of the plants are called meristem. Meristematic tissue have capability of cell division. Daughter cell formed out, it grow and constitute the different parts of the plant. This process continued till the lifespan of the plant. What are the specific feature of the meristematic tissue as follows? It is round, oval and multi-sided. Its wall is thin and cytoplasm is homogeneous. Cell contains dense cytoplasm and a single large nucleus. There is a lack of internal cellular spaces between the cells. Meristems are the two types, apical meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem, these tissues are found in the root and stem of apex, and the initial growth special length of the plants take place due to this tissue. Lateral meristem, due to this division in this tissue, growth in the girth of the root stem takes place. Hence, it increases the width of the root and stem. They may ask in exam, which meristem increases the root and stem of the plant? Answer is lateral meristem. Next, intercalary meristem. They are located at the base of the internode. They may ask in question which parts of meristem located at the base of the internode is intercalary meristem. In fact, there is a remains of the apical meristem which is divided by the incoming of permanent tissue in the center. Plant increase the length by activity of this. It's important is for plants whose apex parts are eaten by vegetarian animals. After being eaten, the apex part of the plants grow with the help of intercalary meristem like grass. Example for intercalary meristem is like grass. Next, permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are those mature tissues that have lost their capacity of division, attain a defined forms for a various work. These are cells can be alive or dead. Okay. In permanent tissue, simple tissue, it is a permanent tissue made up of similar types of cell. It is called simple tissue. Next one is complex tissue. Complex tissue. If permanent tissue is made up of one or more types of cell, it is called complex tissue. Next, xylem. This is usually called wood. This contain conducting tissue. Its two main functions are, they ask in exam, what are the functions of xylem? Conduction of water and minerals and to provide mechanical consistency. The determination of age of the plant is by counting the annual ring of the xylem tissue. The method of determining the age of plants is called dendrochronology. It is very important. The method of detecting the age of the plant is called dendrochronology. Thank you for watching.